The last thing to show you how to do is how to replace your maintenance box if you get a warning to say that the maintenance box is full and needs replacement. So what I'm going to do in this instance is show you where the maintenance box lives and how to get to it. So first of all, you open up the lid like this. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, not a Phillips for this. And then your screw is just here. Unscrew that like so, and then pull that cover away. Your maintenance box is located here. Now, maintenance box will have a chip on it, and in this case it's a T3661. You just pull that out. You've got a few options. You can buy these from Epson, you can buy compatible units. You can, if you're going through a lot of these, also reset the chips on these and replace the pads yourself if you really want to. We'll show you how to do that in a separate video, but for the moment we're going to assume that you've gone out, bought yourself a new maintenance box, you've unwrapped it with the chip over towards the inside and the handle out towards you. You just slide it back into there like that. You press OK. If it comes up and says it's not recognized, pull it out, push it back in again. It's just the chip not being connected properly to the internal workings. Okay, but as you can see, that's all been accepted. So all you've got to do now is put that back in like so and screw down the screw that you undid earlier. Nice and easy. So that's it. That's how you replace a maintenance box for an XP15000. Flathead screwdriver, a couple of minutes, and a replacement maintenance box. And you're good to go.